What's up, everybody? This is Max from Trades and Gains. We just got our own Kinfolk NFT, so I figured what would be more appropriate than to dive into the Solana space and tell you what's going on with this chart because it's wild, so buckle the fuck up. Our current price or floor to sell now is 0.12. And the 24-hour change in that has been about down 35%. It's volatile AF, but that's where the gains hide. And if we look at our volume, we have 491 with a market cap of 706,000 currently. So our trend overview is recent spikes. Notice that dramatic pump to $48 followed by the sharp corrections. This pattern indicates strong speculation as well as interest with quick profit taking. So it's nothing to really worry about. Our resistance zone is around $44. We've seen heavy rejection here, suggesting it's a key psychological barrier where sellers are currently dominating. And in our support zone, it's near the $28 range, repeatedly tested and holding strong, indicating solid buyer interest in accumulation. And on the consolidation phase, price action is showing sideways movement between $28 to $36.50, signaling accumulation before the next big breakout. Now, some of our moving averages, the double simple 1921 is currently the 9-day moving average is across the 21-day moving average, indicating bearish pressure short term. However, the narrowing gap suggests a potential reversal if the volume picks up here. Now on the volume side, significant volume spikes during rallies reflect FOMO-driven buying, notably the surge in volume right before the price jumped to $48, which is indicating some whale activity coming into the game. And on the price action insights, we have breakout potential. We're going to watch for volume surges around the $36.50 level. A clean break here supported by strong volume could trigger a fast move back to that $44 mark and beyond. And whale activity, large transactions have historically preceded price pumps. Keep an eye on wallet trackers for any unusual activity. And finally, listings drops. The sharp decline in listed NFTs suggests strong diamond hands holding through volatility, reducing the supply pressure. Now, some of the Kinfolks social sentiment here, it's bullish and assertive. One user said, "You're really not bullish enough. Hashtag Kinfolks. Floor goes higher, whether you like it or not." Another one said, "Honesty and delivery. Honesty is and always is the best policy. No promises, only delivering. This transparency builds trust and will attract new holders." Because remember, the floor right now is about 0.18 if we want to buy in. Community and FOMO. Get familiar or get left behind. Strong FOMO vibes out here, driving new investors to ape in before the next run. Some humor and assertiveness even. Da fuck? Do y'all even look at charts anymore? Kinfolks are the smart play here. Confidence wrapped in memes. The community knows how to keep engagement high and keep those buyers coming. And market positioning. Comparing Kinfolks with other projects, many posts emphasize its superior growth potential. The consistent narrative suggests a strong belief in Kinfolks' long-term value and influencer backing. Recent endorsements from mid-tier to high-tier influencers are amplifying exposure, adding fuel to the bullish fire. And honestly, like if you're a part of ETF 500, that and Kinfolk are running hand in hand. So it's kind of like if you're going to take one, you might as well take the other too. 0.18 floor. Get the fuck in or get the fuck out. My final thoughts here, the short-term outlook, volatile but promising. Key breakout level at 36.50. A clean break here with volume could send us flying back to that $44 level. And our long-term potential. We have strong community support plus bullish sentiment, and plus it's being brought into the ETF 500 scope as well. It's a recipe for sustained growth. the decreasing supply of listed NFTs could trigger a supply shock on the next rally. And here's a pro tip for you. Watch for sudden volume spikes and social media surges. They often precede big moves. If whale wallets are accumulating again, go ahead and brace for fucking impact. We're taking KINFOLKS to the moon. Do your own research. Stay safe. Stay degenerate. Wear a condom. And make sure that you subscribe to Trades and Gains for all your latest NFT, crypto, stock, and anything finance related news, because we cover it all, baby. I don't have a life. All I do is cover this stuff. I love y'all. I'll see you in the next episode. And this is just the beginning of KINFOLKS.